Namaste, good morning children. Yes, welcome to Super Yoga class. Yes, this week I will take them for the Super Yoga class and different variation asanas. We can practice. Yes, Super Yoga is very good concept of your body. Entire body should be exercise or asanas. You can very good focus of your body development and re-energize your body. Okay, you can practice Super Yogasana, everyone. Yes, before Yogasana will start, little warm up. You can practice for the in home. We have time, we can practice. You can start the Super Yogasana. Okay, yes, ready children. Yes, first one, Utkata Konasana. Okay, Utkata Konasana. Tadasana, standing Tadasana position. 1, 2. Deep inhale. Yes, deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. 3 to 5 times. Deep inhale and exhale. Okay, next. Yes, Utkata Konasana. First asana, standing posture. Tadasana sthiti, both the feet together. Deep inhale and spread out your leg as much possible. Yes, spread and bend your knees slowly. Exhale and bend. Yes, this your forward leg is your 90 degree. You can bend like this. Yes, sitting like a chair. Deep inhale. Both the hands should be outside. Exhale and join your hands above the head. Stretch. Yes. Utkata Konasana. Yes. 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes. Slowly inhale. Yes. Hand should be sideways. Exhale. Relax. Yes. Utkatasana. Utkata Konasana. Goddess pose is good, effective of your body. Open up your hips and chest will be stretches. Respiratory system and cardiovascular system should be improved. Strengthening for the core muscles. This is good, effective of your body. Yes, same as next one, bending asanas. Prasarva Vitasana. Prasarvitasana or side intestine side stretches. Yes, Tadasana position, second one. Prasarvita Vitasana. Tadasana position 2. Your left leg should be back and don't raise your heels and both the legs should be straight. Knee should be straight forward. Yes. Deep inhale. Both the hands should be above the head. Balance your body straight. You can stretch your legs as much possible. 45 degree to stretch. Both the knees straight and legs straight. Don't raise your heels. Yes. Inhale and exhale and bend forward. Yes. Both the hands. Right leg out. Yes. Right leg in between. Hand should be outside and try to touch your forehand should be right leg knee. Yes. Exhale and 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly inhale. Balance your body. Exhale. Left leg forward. Release. Yes, slowly exhale. Same as it is. Your right leg back. Deep inhale. Yes, balance your body. Exhale. Both the hands should be above the head. Bend forward your body. Upper body should be forward. Both the hands should be stretched for your mat. both the knees straight and don't raise your heels. Yes. You can try to touch left leg, knee your forehead. Yes, 10 count. Hold on for the 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly inhale, exhale. Left leg should be forward and join. Right leg should be forward and join the. Both the legs should be together and relax. Yes. Prasavita Asana. Interstate side stretches is good, effective of your body. Stretches the leg, hips and spine, shoulders muscles, strengthening for the leg and core muscles, and stimulate your abdominal organs and digestive system should be improved. Okay. Yes, these are the benefits for the Prasavita Asana. Next one, sitting postures. Uttana Shishasana. Uttana Shishasana. Yes, slowly. Yes, stand on knees. Stretch the little bit. Stretch the your knee and toe should be bent backwards. And slowly inhale. Raise your hands. And exhale, bend forward. Yes, as much possible, bend forward. And you will stretch your hands forward. Your chin should be touch the mat. Relax, totally should be relaxed. Yes, your body should be, yes, relaxed position. Yes, yeah. 10 count, same position. Hold on for the 10 count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Slowly come back. Uttana Shishasana. Relax. Inhale and exhale. Yes, relax in Vajrasana. Yes, Uttana Shishasana, puppy dog pose. Okay, stretches the hip and hamstring muscles should be stretched. Strengthening for the spine and chest, neck part of the stretches and body relaxing position. Stimulate the, yes, stimulate that your tension release. Yes, this all the benefit for the your Uttana Shishasana. Okay, this sitting postures is good, effective of your body and relax your body. Relaxing position, Uttana Shishasana. Yes. Next one, fourth one, Bhujangasana, variation of Bhujangasana. Okay, slowly lie down your mat. Yes, Bhujangasana sthiti. Your toe should be bent. Both the feet together join and your chin should be touch the mat. Yes, this Bhujangasana only your upper body level. Okay, chest level only you can rise. And yes, deep inhale you can rise for the chest level, and otherwise hand should be forward. Yes, same position, 10 count maintain. 1, 2, 3, neck up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Yes, slowly come back. Relax in Makarasana. Yes, slowly come back to position. Yes, Vajrasana sthiti. Yes, Bhujangasana, variation of Bhujangasana. Only chest part should be rise and your neck part should be stretch forward and look forward, and hand should be forward. This one pose, Bhujangasana, stretches for the chest and lungs and shoulders also. Shoulders and abdominal muscles strengthen and tones the buttocks muscles. Open up your heart and lungs. Yes, this benefits of Bhujangasana is very good effective of your chest and lungs. Okay, and respiratory system should be improved. Okay, yes, next one. Next one, Purvitasana. Purvitasana or Parvatottasana, reverse plank pose. Okay, sit like this mat, and should be here inside that. You can slowly bend your knees, deep inhale and exhale, and raise your buttock muscle should be upward stretch and neck part should be back. Yes, look front. Yes, Parvatottasana is good effective of your body. Count 10 count. You can hold on for the Parvatottasana. Yes, stretch as much possible. You can stretch reverse plank. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Slowly your buttock muscle should be down and relax your body. Yes. Parvatottasana, reverse plank pose is to stimulate the strengthen for the front of the body. Should be half of the front of the body should be stretches and stimulate. Strengthening for the arms and shoulders along with glute muscles and core muscles also strengthen. Okay, this good effective of your body for the Parvatottasana or plank pose. Okay, this all the five poses you can practice. Okay, including today dhyana or meditation. You can sit comfortable in sitting postures. Okay, sitting comfortable place and mudra, any mudra, chin mudra, vayu mudra is any mudra you can sit. I will sit the chin mudra. Close your eyes, deep inhale and exhale. Gently close your eyes. Normal breathe in and breathe out. Yes, sit like in 10 to 15 minutes. You can sitting for the dhyana or meditation. Yes, this meditation is very good effective of your body and your mind relaxation and your re-energize your body and totally relax your body and mind. Yes. Yes, meditation is the reduce your negative emotions, okay, and your thinking for the only for the positive thinking. Meditation improve your focus, attention, and ability to work on the stress. Okay, reduce the stress and control anxiety, promote emotion healthy, analysis self awareness. This all the improvement your meditation only for the meditation. You can practice for the 10 to 15 minutes. You can meditation. Close your eyes, normal breathe in, breathe out, and sit on whatever you want to pose or this one comfortable pose or sitting for the Vajrasana also. Yes, then you can normally you can sit in the one place and meditate. Your body should be relaxed and improve your memory power, and your memory power should be improved. Your concentration and relax your body, and stress and anxiety should be reduced. This is good one of the asanas you can practice anywhere. You can practice for the meditation. Yes, this all the 6 pose you can practice children in home and safely. Yes, thank you and dhanyavad.